Bonnie. I am back with the November Boxycharm. I am so excited about this box, you guys. I love Boxycharm. Like $21.95 a month. I do get Boxy Luxe too. This is a box that I probably will not give up because I always feel like I get something good, at least one or two things, possibly three, in this box. So I'm just going to go through what I got. The first thing I got is from Juice Beauty. This is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. $50 value on that. Vitamin C infused. I absolutely could use this. I think you pop the top off and you put it under your eye. This is definitely something I could use. So that paid for the box and more right there. So not a problem. I also got the brushes. I know a lot of people were saying that they didn't get the brushes. I am super happy with these. These are a $35 value. They are super soft, you guys. Really high quality, wide brushes. I love a good brush. I literally collect makeup brushes, and I never buy them. I always get them in my beauty boxes, and I've got a really nice collection. Check out, those are really luxe. I'm liking these. So that alone just like made my day. We also got a palette this time, Celestial Thunder. This is a $35 palette. Check this out. This is gorgeous. This is from Dominique Cosmetics. I'm just gonna swatch a couple of these here. That's a really pretty. I like anything. You can't see it very well on my arm. I like anything that's sparkly, and these are sparkly. So, ooh, Fireball. Check that out. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look at that. I love that eye shadow color. Like, it goes good because I have like green eyes, and anything like that looks really good. So it looks like we got 3 of the sparkle and 5 matte. And I like those like terracotta shades. That Fireball is amazing though. Okay, so 3 for 3. I'm doing good this month, you guys. We also got the, what are these? The Starry Eyes Pop Masks. $10 value on those. It says self-indulgent, self-warming eye mask. I don't use eye masks a lot, but I may try these. I mean, we'll see. We'll see what's going on with those. I also got, oh, they gave us a sample in here. The Undercover from Pretty Vulgar. Oh, okay, that's like under eye cover-up. We all need that. We were supposed to get a Becca product or the Dose of Colors Lippy. I kind of wanted the Becca product, but because everything else is so good, I'm not like super, like, you know, disappointed in this box at all. So, let me see here. This is a $18 value. The shade is really pretty. Let me see what this... That actually looks really good. I got a little on my lip. Not bad without a mirror. That actually looks really good. I like this shade. That's a really pretty shade. The shade is called Flirty. So, absolutely happy with this box this month. Like I said, you know, I got no complaints usually ever about Boxycharm. Boxycharm to me is like one of the best beauty boxes out there. If you're going to choose one beauty box, I always tell people, if you want to like get a beauty box that's better than a $10 one, definitely go with Boxycharm if you're looking for one in like the $21 range, because they always have something really good. So there we go. November Boxycharm. I don't think I have any more beauty box. Oh, I do. Wait. Stop. Reverse that. I got FabFitFun coming. So I think I just got my shipping tracking code on that. So that should be coming soon. And starting in January, I might get 1 or 2 boxes back, because I'm sure Bath & Body Works might slow down just a little bit. Maybe not. You never know. I am going probably tomorrow to Bath & Body Works to see, they have an email code coupon sale, I believe, for the concentrated room sprays. So I will get there. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.